Hello everyone, welcome back to God of YouTube. I just thought I'd come on and just explain something real quick. So obviously we had a whole load of content planned and well, Shane's camera skills struck again. No words at all. So Shane told me before he went to bed earlier that, oh yeah, I've recorded a whole load of clips, but I can't get them over to you. He tried sending them via WhatsApp and wouldn't go. I was like, okay, that's fine. So he reset his iCloud password so I could log into his iCloud on my computer and just download them. Yeah, I did that and downloaded the clip, and well, it's a silent clip. I can see his lips moving, but I can't hear what he's saying. So yeah. Shane, you need a cameraman, man. That's not good. You can't keep doing that. So I know Shane and Bailey are planning on going down the allotment a little bit later. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. So Shane is going down the allotment a bit later on, so I'll get on a call with him and see if I can get him to sort it. If not, I'll ask Bailey to record it on his phone. Bailey, if you're watching, it might be worth using your phone, dude, because it's not working. I can't get down to them tomorrow, so I'm going to be stuck here. I've got some paperwork to be finishing off. I'm helping Bailey with some stuff, so yeah, it's going to be a paperwork day for me, and probably a whole load of editing if these two idiots actually get some filming done. But just thought I'd explain that. There's not much more we can do footage wise. I mean, we'll just have to see what happens. I keep saying this, but I don't actually get it done. I'm gonna jump over on Shane's computer, which is just there, and maybe record some more gaming videos. There's not too many more how-tos I've got planned unless I can come up with some more, but there'll be some videos going out. So I'm reading messages that are up on that monitor, which is just there, and it's distracting. I've got it coming through here as well. My phone's reading them out loud to me. So yeah, we will keep you updated. But yeah, Shane, we've got to sort this camera issue out, man. I don't know what's going on with your phone at the minute, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, I'm going to let you all go. We will keep you updated with what's going on. I'm going to jump on Shane's computer. I've got a few other little bits to do down there. I'm not going down there. There's just stuff that I need to do that's down there. And then, yeah, we'll see what happens. So, if you do like these videos, make sure you stay around. Stick around and stay tuned. Don't forget, as like Shane always says, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we will see you very soon. Bye-bye.